My name is Eric Ozerio. I am the Gurkar of Mansoban, which runs this place called Kalangan, uh, and a good friend of Father John. My association with Father John goes back to 48 years, 1973. I first met Father John when he was the head of the pastoral center. Of course, my association was not regarding pastoral work. My association with him was regarding the Jippu workers' struggle. And then Father John, because he believed in the liberation theology that at that time was also very popular among priests who really cared for the downtrodden, he gave us shelter. That's where we had all our meetings, Jippu workshop meetings. He sympathized with the workers' cause and staunchly supported all their struggles, even in the direct action that they undertook. The dharna at the bishop's house, he also was a part of that dharna. He did not shy away from that responsibility. I consider him a true Christian. He not only preached Christianity like everybody does, but he practiced it. That is the difference. He practiced it. Never hesitated to risk his name and position, and therefore was always victimized by church authorities throughout his life, right until his death. He was not ambitious, never sought security or position or to rise in the hierarchy of the church. He was a true believer in the brotherhood of mankind. Therefore, he not only worked with Christians, he worked with Hindus and Muslims. He also put together a group called Dharma Samanvaya, which was very active. And all of us worked towards communal harmony when things were very bad in this part of the country. Father John loved his language, Konkani, and his culture, and was always supportive of our cultural movement, cultural cause. He went out of his way to help the needy and the downtrodden. And throughout his life he did that. Susheg is an example where the sickly would be looked after, and he was a trustee of Susheg. He stood steadfast for his principles. He never compromised. He never compromised. He was an inspiration to many, like me. I personally owe a lot to Father John. He taught me what true Christianity is. And I claim to be a true Christian. Don't ask me whether you go to church and attend Mass, but I am a true Christian. This is what Father John taught me. He was a reliable comrade in my trade union movement and the revolutionary movement. He was a great source of strength in my cultural movement. He was a true friend in need, when I was short of resources, I used to go to him. I had nowhere to go but to him. He supported my daughter's medical studies. We remain ever grateful to him. In the last struggle I undertook, namely that of the Jeppo people, he stood with me, and by the Jeppo people, he was the only priest who wrote to the bishop interceding on their behalf. And he dared to join us at the whole night Jagran we organized to create awareness and to draw the attention of the church towards our cause, our plight. Father John will keep inspiring us always. Father John will live forever in our hearts. Father John, Amar Rahe.
I'm Loretta Pinto, and the founder and trustee of Susheg Charitable Trust. My association with Father John spans almost 3 decades. And my husband and I, Jerry, have shared with him good times and bad. We've participated in protests, especially the Cogentrix, and he masterminded a protest against the bishop when a teacher, Miss Celine Mendonça, was illegally transferred from her church in Ferrar to another place far away just because she didn't conform with whatever the church wanted her to do, which was not correct. So those were the protests that we participated in. We also shared in his joy. Eric Bab and all of us used to celebrate his birthday every year. And just a few friends, and it was fun. We also celebrated his anniversaries in Mangalore, and we were fortunate enough to even represent Mangalore and Belmont, where he was a parish priest, in Trier, Germany, where he celebrated his Golden Jubilee. We saw how well he was appreciated. They used to call him John, and it was so nice to see him being like a part of them. The very fact that the church in Trier celebrated his anniversary was something to be very proud of. We have been the recipient of his love, affection, reprimands, and generosity. He was a trustee with us at Susheg, and we enjoyed having his experience, his vast experience in the social field, and we learned a lot from him. Dr. Lavina, my husband Gerald, and I, we learned a lot from him in the social work. I today pledge to celebrate his life and take his legacy forward. Thank you.
Yeah, my association with Father John goes back to 1962 or 63 when I was still a teenager. He was brought in as the assistant parish priest of Cathedral. From then on, we were always been in touch, quite close to each other when I was in Mangalore. Then when I went to Bombay during his transit to Germany, he had met me there. And subsequently, when I was posted out of Bombay to Bangalore, I was not so much in touch with him, but nevertheless, when I came back, I met him, and our bonds were similar, like before. Christ came and redefined laws, or that's why Jews went after him, because they wanted to live the letter of the law but Jesus taught them to interpret the spirit of the law. I think that's exactly what Father John did. As Eric rightly pointed out, he was a liberation theologian. And I can definitely say he was much ahead of his times as far as his thought process is concerned. That is why and how he probably got into conflict with his straightforward thinking. Nevertheless, he had the guts, he believed in what he preached, and that's why probably many of us are here to celebrate his life. That's why he's liked by revolutionaries like Eric Oserio, and that's why he's respected by all the religions. In fact, he was probably one of the priests of Mangalore, the priest of Mangalore, who was invited for the RSS Manthan or Shibir or something like that is the call, which is a rare acknowledgement of his ecumenical outlook in life. I am very happy to have associated with him, as he has contributed quite a bit to my thinking, and I hope we will live his ideals. Long live Father John Fernandez in all our hearts.
It was the late Chafra de Costa, C.F. de Costa, who introduced me to Father John 45 years ago. And I am happy today, after Corona time, Father John gave a privilege to visit Kalangan after a long time. It was him that he brought us here. When I met him, it was a critical time. One side, the agitation in Padamullas, Eric Babu would know. One lady was suspended from the kitchen for drinking one glass of milk. That's the reason she was suspended. And then the agitation started. I don't know how long it went. I think it went almost 2-3 months. And my neighbor, Father Valentian Rosario, there was one more priest who was like him, involved in this agitation. He brought me to Mangalore and introduced me to him. And Chafra was there. Chafra told him, this boy, I was going to college, this boy has same mentality like us, so let him remain with us. And in that particular week, there were so many incidences in Mangalore diocese history. The word bastard became very popular those days. And Chafra de Costa wrote an editorial in Konkani, Sobd Muni Salo. That means the word became man or human being. And the same week there was big convention at Ruzai Church to commemorate or rather to finalize or the concluding of the year which was devoted for Rajya and Navikaran. Rajya and Navikaran. And those days, I don't go into it because it may take the whole night for me to explain. And those days, during the bursting of crackers and other side sacramental blessing, we spoke a lot about Christian movement. And same night he was behind, I think he was in the lockup along with other 7 priests. I don't want to name all of them, but Valentin, my neighbor, was one among them. So I had to stay back here in Mangalore. And of course I then joined. We had number of meetings at Manohar Vilas, Kankanadi, those days. And he used to motivate us. And we were youth. We did not have direction, but we took, motivation from them. And I remained with him till I left for the Gulf. After coming back again, we had that same association. Before that once I was Sevak's editor for short story section. Our editor, Father Vijay Menijas, he is also one among him. He said, we will have our 3-day seminar in Ospet. I said, why Ospet? Because our father John is there. We'll go there. So 3 days we spent with him. Fantastic. And then I asked him, why is he here? He should have been somewhere here in the city. But we just said he was promoted because he had led the agitation there. So he was promoted to go to that village and to work. But he succeeded from there even. He did so many wonders from there. I don't want to go into details. Later on, I became very close to him when we started the IG World magazine. He was an advisor to me. And a lot of things happened when he wrote the book. I was associated with him. He gave me for certain corrections, some chapters especially. And I gave my eulogy when he was alive. I sat with him one day and I said, I want to give your eulogy today because I don't know I will be there. And I said, I want 50 copies of your book. He was surprised. And I came here and I took 50 copies from Eric Yuan, and those 100 copies I distributed to the top people in India, including our Prime Minister. I sent it through my friend Nalin Kumar Katil. And I got very good response from them. Of course, 3 Hegdes, especially I must say, Dr. B.M. Hegde, Justice Santosh Hegde, and Dharmasthal Hegde. Both 3 of them wrote very good letters to me, which I will share in my articles later on. But what I can say, he was the Lokaso Yajak, means the priest of the poor people. He was associated with us. When a few days back people were talking about Father Stan, I thought about Father John. There was no difference between them. So I raised my offer, my eulogy for him again. And of course, the breed is very, very limited in Mangalore, of that, his character. There are very few chosen people, and that happens everywhere. And I hope and I pray that more people come out to become like him, the Lokacho Munshanso Amso Lokaso Yajak. Thank you so much.
म्हज्या गांवाच्या आनी हॉस्पिटलच्या इगर्जेच्या मध्ये एक बळवंत रान आसा. आमी ताका बांद म्हणटा, ताका हॉस्पिटलचें बांद अशें आमी वळखताले. त्या बांदाच्या मुळांत एक मुंडेनेर म्हणलो ल्हान गांव आसा. त्या गांवांत हांव एक 10-12 वर्सांचो भुरगो आसतना सोरो उकडटाले, पियेताले आनी कांय तांच्या मदीं इकताले. त्या गांवाक वीज नासली, रस्तो समान नासलो, आसलेल्या रस्त्याक तार नासले, बस नासले, कारां वचनासलीं. त्या इगर्जेक वीजय नासली. तर एका वेळाचेर फादर जॉनाक कोणगे म्हणटात ताका पनिशमेंट ट्रान्सफर म्हणल्या बरी थंय धाडलो म्हणून. ताच्या पयलीं दुसऱ्या पदराप गेला, तशें न्ही की पनिशमेंटूच म्हणून न्ही, पण हाचें तशें जाल्यार तरण्या पदरापांक थंय धाडची संगत ते धर्मसर नासली. थंय तो गेल्या उपरांत हर एका म्हयन्यान म्हणल्या बरी तो वेच्या पयलें थंय एक्सायजाची धाड पडटाली, पोलीस येताले, घरच्या दादल्यांक आनी बायलांक म्हणून सोडनासतना ते तांकां आंबून व्हरताले. आनी गुड्यार खंयतरी एक कोळसुलो मेळ्ळ्यार, सोरो मेळ्ळ्यार, तें कालोवन दवरलें म्हणल्यार तांकां धरून हें तुमी केलां म्हणून तांच्या देगेच्या घरच्यांक तांणी ओप्प जालें आनी तांकां मार पडटाले. ह्या पदरापान आयल्या उपरांत इगर्जेची गांठ मिसा खातीर मारची आनी खाली आमोरे खातीर मारची म्हणून मात आसली. आनी म्हळें आनीकय पुलिसांचें कळ्ळें तक्षणा आमी हांगा गांठी मारता. आनी गांठी मारले सगळें ना, तक्षणा लोक सगळो वट्टूक जातालो. मागीर लोक वट्टूक जाल्ले पळोवन पुलीस येताले 7-8 जाण, लोक वट्टूक जातालो 100. पुलिसांक तांकां कांय करूंक जालें ना. तशें वो सोरो उकडटेल्यांचो पदराब, तांकां सोरो उकडटेल्यांक कुमक करचो पदराब म्हणलें नांव पडलें ताका. ताणें तशें करूं ना, पूण ताणें थंय कानून उलयलो. तुमचें काम कालें, कोणाच्या घरांत मेळ्ळ्यार तुमी तांकां धरी येता, गुड्यार मेळ्ळें जाल्यार तुमी धरचें कशें, धरलें जाल्यार तांचेर तुमी केस घाली येता, एक्सायज डिपार्टमेंटाच्यान पुलिसांक दिवं येता. तुमी तुमचें कानून हातांत धरून आमच्या लोकांक मारचें कशें अशें म्हणून. मागीर तांणी त्या गांवच्या पुलिसांनी येवच्यान सोडलें, पूण ह्या पदराबाच्या बऱ्या मनान तांणी उकडचेंय सोडलें. त्या दिसांत ती फिरगस बरी जावन आयली हॉस्पिटलचे कोणी हांगा आसोंक पुरो. त्या उपरांत एक नावार्थीक फिरगस ती जाली. तो मनीस कसो उलयला तसो जियेलो म्हणल्यार एक ल्हान निदर्शन आमी आमच्या ताकोड्याच्या गांवांतल्यान थंय फेस्ताक येताले आमकां त्या दाळांतावन पाद्र्याबाची लागशिल्ल्यान वळख आसली. असलो एक मनीस कसो भितर आसलो तसो भायल्यान थ्रू आउट सगळें ताचें जिवीत जियेलां म्हणले गजालत कुशेची. ताच्या की चड तितल्या एका बऱ्या मनाचो आनी तितलो प्रॅक्टिकल मनीस आमचो कितलो मोगाचो इश्ट जावन आसलो न्हय तें आमचें भाग. आनी फाटल्या एका वर्सांत मस्त कारणां खातीर आमकां फादर जॉनाक मदें मदें मेळोंक साथ जालें ना कोरोनाक लागून. तशें फादर ताच्या मरणाच्या वेळारय मस्त जाणांक ताका मेळोंक जाय आसलें ताच्या पयलें मेळोंक साथ जावंक ना म्हणले गजाली एक मस्त जाणांक बेजाराची आसतली म्हाकाय आसा तशी. पाद्र्या सर्गान पातया लागीं नागी हाची म्हाका कांय खबर ना. तो त्या काले तिसोय व्हडलो न्हय त्या देखून ताच्या आत्म्याक शांती मागची गजाल कांय म्हाका व्हडगी ल्हानगी अशी दिसना. असलो एक मनीस आमच्या मदें जियेला आनी तो 100 वर्सांच्या पयलें जल्मून आतां जिवचे त्याला काले तिसो मनीस असो तो जियेला आनी तो आमच्या मदें जियेला म्हणल्यार ते खुशेची गजाल म्हणून हांव तसो उडास काडटां. तुमकां समेस्तांक देव बरें करूं.
Father Maximo Rosario. Father John, ताची फोटो वा ताचें नांव आयकतना इल्लें इमोशन जावचें साहज. कित्याक म्हळ्यार हांव सेमिनारींत थंय आसतना तसो विद्यार्थी तो म्हजो प्रोफेसर पूण ताच्या की चड तो म्हजो इश्ट. सुमार 30 वर्सांत हांव न्हू फादर जॉनाक हांव वळखतां. आमी एक 6 जाण या जाग या 5 जाण या जाग ताच्या चड मोगाचे आनी लागशिल्ले. आमच्या क्लासीच्या भायर हेर जायत्या संदर्भांनी आमी सांगाता मेळटले. हांव विचार विनिमय करतले. हांव फादर जॉनाक जायतें सांगूंक आसलें आनी आमकां ताणें विद्यार्थी म्हणून लेखिल्लें त्या दाळा पूण आमी ताचे शीस जावं पावल्या. विद्यार्थी मदें आनी शिसां मदें जायत्यो व्यत्यास आसा. जायती सभा चलयतना फादर जॉन आमकां आपोवन व्हरतालो. प्रत्येक जावन एक्युमेनिझम इंटररिलिजियस डायलॉग RSS आनी हेर पंगडा मदें आसतना आमकां तातूंत वांटेली करतालो. ताची जायती शिकवण आसली लिबरेशन थिओलॉजी जर्मनीन शिकिल्लो आनी आमकां सांगतालो कितें सकड पयलें जालां ताची झळक आमकां दितालो. कितें तुमी येदोळ सांगलां आनी आमी आयकलां ताच्या विशयांतय ताणें आमकां जायतें सांगलां. पर तो मरता पर्यंत आमचो मोगास इश्ट आसलो. फादर जॉन तो एक दैरादीक मनीस. ही वॉज ए करेजियस मॅन. तसलें धैर्य म्हाका येना आनी आमकां सराव जाणांक ना. कितें मुखार घडत म्हणलें तो पळोवंक ना पळयना. बगर आपणाक कितें सांगूंक आसा करूंक आसा तो करतलोच. आनी ताच्या ह्या एका नडत्या वर्तना खातीर ताचें मोल दिचें पडलें तें आमकां कळीत आसा. दुसऱ्यान तो एक बरो मनीस. बरो म्हळ्यार मनशाच्या हुगळीकेक उतराक सैलापाक लब्धलो मनीस न्हय. बरो म्हळ्यार ताका दुबळ्यांचो विशेश मोग. मस्त जाणांक ताणें आर्थीक रितीन आनी हेर रितीन कुमो केल्या. प्रत्येक जाण कश्ट केल्या तांच्या फाटल्यान रावला आनी तांकां ताणें सहाय दिल्या. तो एक जेन्युइन मनीस. वॉज अ जेन्युइन मॅन. कितें आपणाक बगता तें सांगतलो. मनच्या तोंडाक सैलापाक तो सैलापा परतें उलयनातलो. बगार कितें सांगूंक आसा तें घट्ट सांगतालो. आनी आमकांय ताचे शिसां आमी थोडे जाण ह्या जाग कमी आसले हांव सेमिनारी शिकतना तो आमकांय सांगतलो. कितें ताका राग येता बेजार जाता सांगूंक आसा तें हेरांक कितें जाता तो पळयना पूण सांगतालो आनी हाच्या मुखांतर येगली सावन दितालो. फादर जॉन ताणें व्हडलीं कामां केल्यां म्हणून हांव सांगना, पूण जायतो वावर केला. जावं देसीजेंत, समाजेंत, कोंकणीक आनी अंतरधर्मी संवादाक. ह्या पासत फादर जॉनाचो उडास म्हज्या काळजांत आसा आनी तो आसतलोच. चिंतनांतले बरी आमचे ताणून गेलो, पूण ताची मावल्यां शिकवण खंडीत ती आमच्या जिवितांत सदांच उरतली आनी उरजईस. फादर जॉन तो कुडीन आमच्या मदें ना, पण ताच्या स्पिरितान, ताच्या तत्वांनी आनी चिंतपान तो आमच्या मदें आसा. आनी ताचे तावन कितें आमी शिकल्या तें पाळूंक हांव प्रयत्न करतना आमी सकड तें पाळूंक प्रयत्न करया.
Good evening, friends. I'm Captain Vincent Pies, the current president of CASC, Catholic Association of South Canara. We have few members from CASC here to pay our respects to Father John. Mansuban Gurkar and Louis Pinto, my friend, president of the Mansuban, and the members of Mansuban and my friends, other friends. I'm happy to be here at the famous Kalangan for the Shraddhanjali program of Father John. I have visited Kalangan before, but for this occasion I was very happy to come here for this, to pay my respects to Father John, because I knew Father John, I have known Father John for a very long time. He was a co-parish priest at Urua in 1972. There was a small crisis in our family at that time. My younger brother was murdered, and he was our comfort, I can say, because we were all shattered. The whole family was shattered. A young boy of 21 was shot dead. And there were a lot of rumors spreading around, and he was our co-parish priest. From that time onwards, our family have been very close to him, and we have been in touch with him on and off. What I liked about him most was his simplicity and friendly nature. I have met him on and off many times. I have attended few of his meetings when he was trying to build bridges between the religious organizations. For me, it was the first experience attending such meetings, Samanvaya, and also I attended one mass which he celebrated in the Indian style, sitting down on the floor, which was something new, because I was born and brought up in a traditional Mangalorian family, and we had to, and those days when I was born, the father used to face the altar, and mass was said in Latin. But later on, of course, a lot of changes have taken place now. What I would like to say is, he was not liked only in India, but also in many countries in Europe, even Germany. He has a lot of friends in Germany, and these friends, they adored Father John for he had done his studies there, and he was very popular in Germany. There's one friend of his, Mrs. Barbara Gober, who had come to Mangalore many times. When he brought out this book, Unbeaten Paths, she was here. Then just 3 or 4 months before his death, she was here to take his books, what he had written, and his different various literary works. They have taken them to preserve them in the archives in Germany. And I was responsible for shipping these things from here to Germany. We were worried because it was when she came to Mangalore and then she wanted to take these things to Germany. Pandemic, the first effect was there, and there was a shutdown, and she was stuck in Mangalore. So we were wondering how to send it. Then she went to Bangalore. She was stuck in Bangalore for a few months. Anyway, and then it started raining, and these are all books and files, whatever researches he had done, whatever writings he had done, all those things, we packed it in cardboard boxes, and we had to send it by road from here to Bangalore. And it was raining heavily. She said, I hope nothing gets wet, nothing gets smudged, because these are very precious to us. Luckily, the whole consignment reached Germany, and they are in the archives today, and they were very happy that without any damage, the whole works of Father John, whatever he had done in his lifetime, has been preserved in Germany. And German people really love him. She is in contact with me every day. Almost every day she talks to me about Father John. And then she told me about the Shraddhanjali first. Then, of course, Louis told me that you must come. And he invited me. So I'm very happy to be here. We at CASC, Catholic Association of South Canada, we are following the unbeaten paths of Father John in our works. Whatever we do, in a small way or whatever we can, as we are all entrepreneurs and working people. One of the programs now we are going to have is the scholarship distribution for nearly 150 students. Out of that, about 70 students are, you can say, their parents, either one of them died of COVID. They are orphans. Some of them may not be orphans because the mother may be living or the father may be, but they don't have enough money to sustain their studies. So we are going to distribute some scholarships up to rupees 11 lakhs and Bishop's House on the 24th. And this is a small way. I am not trying to publish what we are doing, but this is a small thing that we are doing, and he is our guiding light. Father John, we believe that he has gone from here to a better place. And I believe that he will definitely intercede for us from wherever he is. And we are very happy that he was also involved in environment protection, that is planting trees, and maybe previous speakers have already told about his other activities. So we are also into that. My wish is, may his great soul rest in peace and may he have eternal rest. Thank you very much for giving me this patient hearing.
फादर जयप्रकाश आयचो हो दीस आनी हें कार्य म्हाका नाका आसलें कित्याक म्हळ्यार फादर जॉन हांगा तावन गेल्ल्या उपरांत येदोळ पर्यंत तो आमचे मदें ना म्हणलें म्हाका वळखून घेवंक बरेंच कश्ट मारता आनी दूख भोगता कित्याक म्हळ्यार प्रत्येक जावन फाटल्या 25 वर्सांनी जायतीं वरां आनी वरां हांवें फादर जॉन फर्नांडीस सांगता कशिल्ल्यात विविध ताच्या येवजणांनी हांवें सहभाग केले जायत्या जमात्यांनी आनी जायत्या येवजणांनी आमी सांगाता पासून उलयतले हांव आनी येवजण मांडटले हांव देखून म्हाका फादर जॉन फर्नांडीस एक मोगाचो व्यक्ती फकत मोगाचो न्हय म्हज्या जिवितांतय तत्वां रुपीत करच्यांत चिंतप करच्यांत म्हाका ताणें जायतें शिकयलां आनी मार्गदर्शन दिलां सेमिनारींत आसतना आमी सांगता पासून विविध येवजण हाती घेतलेले आसात आनी अशें एक रॅडिकल चिंतप हांवें ताचें तें पार्क केलां आनी तांतलें जायतें हांवें म्हज्या जिवितांतय जोडून घेतलां प्रकृती विशयांत मोग भाशे संस्कृती कला विशयांत मोग हांव ताचे तावन खूब शिकलां सेमिनारींत आसतना आमी कोंकणी देवशास्त्री ग्लॉसरी आमी घडली सुमार 3 वर्सां आमचे सांगता फादर मॅक्सिम आसा आमी सांगता बसून हें जायतें काम केलें आनी सेमिनारींत भायर आयले उपरांत सबार वरां हांव ताचे सांगता बसतालो आनी तो ताचें चिंतप वांटून घेतालो ताचें धोरण वांटून घेतालो आनी हर एकांतय मनशापणांतय प्रकृती विशयांत दुबळ्यांतय ताका आसा तो आवड म्हाका दिसून येतालो आनी तें हर एकय म्हाका प्रेरीत करतलें फकत एक एस्टाब्लिशमेंट सांगता आसून त्या चिंतपा व्हडल्यांत रावनासतना हर एकाकी एक नवें चिंतप दिवन ते वाटेन चमकूंक आनी हे द्वारे जेजून कितें खरेंच शिकयलां त्या रितीन एक नियाळ करूंक फादर जॉन फर्नांडीस म्हाका एक प्रेरण देखूनच फादर जॉन फर्नांडीस अंतरलो म्हणटा आसतना म्हाका एक कठीण धोको भोगलो आज पर्यंत कश्टांतनाय ताचे कश्ट हांवें पडलेले तरी अशें जायत म्हणून हांवें बिलकूल चिंतलें ना कोविडाक लागून फाटल्या एप्रील 20 तारखे उपरांत म्हाका ताका मेळूंक जावना ताका मेळचें बरें न्ही म्हूण चिंतलें कित्याक हांव फ्रिगेजींत आसा विविध जाणांक भेटता आनी तीं प्रायस्तांच्या घरा वचून हांवें ताका भेटचें बरें न्ही म्हणून हांवें चिंतलें ती म्हाका अजुनूय बेजार भोगता कित्याक म्हळ्यार आखरेच्या घडये ताच्या सांगातपणांत आसूंक म्हाका जावना तरी फादर जॉन फर्नांडीस एक व्यक्ती न्हय एक सकत आनी ही सकत आमचे तावन लिपून रावूंक ना ती आमचे मदें काम करूंक शकतली आनी ताचें चिंतप आमकां आनीक मुखार व्हरूंक आनी ताणें आमकां कितें शिकयलां ते वाटेन चमकूंक आमकां खरेंच साथ जातलें व्हडली पातयेनी फादर जॉन फर्नांडीसाक हांव श्रद्धांजली पाठयतां आनी ताचे तावन आमी शिकया कितें आमी ताचे तावन शिकल्या तें आमी पाळूंक हेरांकय शिकोवंक आनी ते वाटेन चमकूंक आमी प्रयत्न करया देव बरें करूं
नमस्कार हांव एच.जी. नरोणा कुलसेकरचो तेन्ना एक शिबीर आदीं जाल्यात 1973 इसवेंत TSCच्या एका संस्थांत शिबीर डिरेक्टर दोतोर धार्मिक आनी एक मार्मीक सवाल विचारले तुम्ही कोण आम्ही युवक क्रिस्तांव वावराडी तुम्ही कार्मिका खातीर कितें केला पूण तस युवक क्रिस्तांव वावराडी म्हळ्यार कितें आमी युवक यूथ वय आमी तरणाटे पिरगजेच्या परबेक उर्बेन वावरता नाचता स्टॉलां घालता आनीक नाटक खेळटा मागीर तूं क्रिस्तांव गे वय आमी पिरगजेच्या गरजे खातीर वावरता पिरगजेतच आनीक वावराडी म्हणलो शब्द आसा वय कित्याक नजो जर तर एक ब्युटी सेलूनाक होली स्पिरीट म्हूण नांव दितात जर एक मासाच्या अंगडीक वेलांकडी म्हळ्यार नांव दितात जर तर एक गाडयेच्या बासा ड्रायव्हराच्या बासाक सदांची नांवां आसतात आमकां कितें वावराडी म्हूण नांव आसो उपरांत टर्क भासाभास भाशानं चिंतापू आठवण जालें म्हणटच आमकां कळलें आमी क्रिस्तांव जावन क्रिस्तांव खातीर वावरत जाय क्रिस्ती बावल्यांनी आसा जाय वावराडी जावन वावराड्यांक खातीर वावरचें संघटन जायचें म्हणटना आपल्या घेपोटी फातराबाचे आपतो जावन पिरगेचे जमचे आमी सदांच त्या संस्थांत संजेता मध्यान पासून पाद्या पासून तर्क करून शिकवून स्टडी करून कार्मिका विशयी तांचे गरजा विशयी तांच्या समस्या विशयी तांच्या काणुना विशयी जमल्या आपल्या घेपोटी पिरगेचे जमचे ते वावराडी शहराच्या बाराच्या दारा भितर शिकून आसले ते येयले ते विद्यार्थी घराच्या दारा भितर शिकून आसले ते येयले दिसान दीस सदांनीत आमी कितें गरजेक सांडून गेल्ल्या दुबळ्या खातीर वावरी जाय हक्कान नासलेल्या निराधारी वावराड्या खातीर वावरी जाय म्हणटच शिकले हांव परख्याच्या पेड्याचे आडे काडचे पडले आमचेच किसर काडला कशें आमच्याच परिसराच्या परिस्थिती विशयी शिकले हांव हक्कानातली असहायक स्त्रियो वावराडी आसली म्हणटच आमी देवले हांव संघटन मानवी पात्रां उतरां धरणी मुस्कारां म्हणटना धार्मिकाची मुस्कारां काडलेली कितें घटन स्फोटन मंगळुरांत आमच्या क्रिस्तांवच्या संस्थेंत क्रिस्तांवच्या संघटनान स्ट्रायक ये देवा म्हणटच सगळे पिरगेचे देशाचे देखताराचे संचालन देशाचे वडिलांचे चुकले समतोलन बाप दोगलो सोडून वेगळे जावन वेगळे गेले आणि स्थिर असले आताही स्थिर उरले त्या फादर स्टॅन स्वामीक कम्युनिस्ट म्हणलो बिल्लो दिल्लो त्या माती सरकारान आणि हांगासर दुबळ्या खातीर धाकट्या खातीर कामेलच्या हक्का खातीर सतानिती खातीर आणि गरज पडले आमी शिकले हांव आग्गेच्या बिलानो चुडो कडल्या पोंडानो म्हूण शिकले हांव आणि तसल्या ह्या जाकाक ताच्या सांगते ह्या जाकांक तांचे सांगत आसल्यांक आमकांय कम्युनिस्ट म्हणलो बिल्लो दिलो आमच्या धार्मीक वडिलांनी कितेंय जावं कशेंय जावं एक जागरण जाली जागृती जाली कामागरांतय जागृती जाली कामाक हक्क मेळ्ळी आनी एक बदलावन जाली आनी हाका पूरक प्रेरक बाप दोतोर जॉन फर्नांडीस नामान तुमकां महान मानादीक क्रिस्ती याचकाक उजाडवन देव बरें करूं
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀಲತಾ ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಫರ್ನಾಂಡಿಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಧರ್ಮ ಸಮನ್ವಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿನಯ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಫರ್ನಾಂಡಿಸ್ ಅವರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು ಆ ಒಂದು ಅವರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಧರ್ಮ ಸಮನ್ವಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಒಂದು ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಎನೋಪಯ್ಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ರೋಶ್ನಿ ನಿಲಯ ಚೇರನ್ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯಾನಿಟಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸಂವಾದದ ಮೂಲಕ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಒಳಿತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಧರ್ಮ ಸಮನ್ವಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರುಗಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನನಗೆ ಆಗ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಆಗ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಫರ್ನಾಂಡಿಸ್
ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಪರಿಚಯ ಇತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ಫಾದರ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಅಡ್ಡೂರು ಶಿವಶಂಕರ್ ರಾಯರು, ಅವರು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ಮಾವನ ಹತ್ರ, ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡನ ಹತ್ರ ಈ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಥರಾನೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅವರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು, ಅವರ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎರಿಕ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವರ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಮಂಜೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ ಯಾವುದೋ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, he used to invite us and he used to consider us as one of the family member. And recently, just ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಶುರು ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಾರ್ಬರಾ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಬಾರ್ಬರಾ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಅವರ ಟೀಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ದಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಸ್. ಚೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಿಯಾನಿಟಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ಗಳ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಫಾದರ್ ರಾನಿ, ಫಾದರ್ ಜೋಕಿಮ್, ಫಾದರ್ ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಿಕ್, ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮದೊಂದು ಆ ತಂಡ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಾವಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದು, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾನ್ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶ್ರೀಲತಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆ ವಾಯ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಸಮಾಧಾನ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇಗೆ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 7 ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಾದರ್ಗೆ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅವರನ್ನು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಜ್ಜೋಡಿಯಿಂದ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಾವು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಫಾದರ್ ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೋವಿಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಆದರೆ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 2020 ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಜನವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾರ್ಬಾರ. ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಮೊದಲು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಅದೇ ನೆನಪು. ಬಹುಶಃ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಅನ್ನಿಸೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಹಿ ಲಿವ್ಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಲೈಫ್. 85 ಇಯರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕನಸಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅವರ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಬರೆಯುವುದು, ಅದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೆಲಸ, ಬರೆದು ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ತುಂಬ ಆ ಥರದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಸೆಗಳಿತ್ತು, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಧರ್ಮ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಜಾತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಆ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೆರೆತು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದ್ದರು. ಬಹುಶಃ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸರಳ ಜೀವಿ. ಆ ಸರಳತೆ, ಆ ಮುಗ್ಧತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಜೀವಿ, ಅವರು ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದಾರ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರೆ ನಾವು ಅದೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುವ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿ. ಫಾದರ್ ಜಾನ್, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಹಿಮ್.
मुझे नाम प्रवीण टावरो. मुझा ने फत जॉन फर्नांडिस संबंध खाली 15 वर्ष सो किता तने मुझे रेस्पेर केले. रेस्पेरा पाटली खानी दुसरी किताक म्हळ्यार मुजो माव फादर जॉन फर्नांडिस किती वर्ष पप्पा 20 वर्ष 17 वर्सां थंय सांगाता काम करनासलो. वॉस्पेट जावन दी, बेळमान जावन दी, थंय तावन ताणें आमच्या पुरा पप्पाच्या कुटुंबाक, म्हज्या मामाच्या कुटुंबाच्या संस्कार ताणें थंय दिल्ले. भुरग्यांक आनी पुरा हॉल जावन दी, रेस्पेर जावन दी, सगळ्यांक ताणें थंय गेल्ले. तो एक आमच्या कुटुंबांत प्रमुख याजक जावन आसलो. ह्या पाद्र्यापाताना मस्त क्रिस्ती मावलें शिकला. आनी एक पाद्र्यापा पळयतना म्हाका एक बगे जुजे वर्सा पळयलो उडास येता. तो अंतरधर्मीय लोकां संगी मेळोवन तो क्रिस्ती मावल्या वांटलो. जशें आमचो जुजे वास गोंयांत क्रिस्ती अंतरधर्मीय क्रिस्ती मावल्या वांटलो तशें वांटतलो. आनी तो इतलो हट्टी पाद्र्यापी. आनी तो कामेला सांगता झुजता म्हणल्या खातीर तो नोटड पाद्र्याप जाल्लो. आमच्या एरिक बाबा वाटो कामेलाच्या हक्का खातीर झुजतालो. एक दीस हांव जेरियांक लागीं बसताना ताणें म्हाका सांगलें, कामेलांक इतले कश्ट जातात आमच्या संस्थांनी, ताजेर ताळो उठयतालो कोणी नातुलो. हांवें ह्या जागांनी ताळो उठोवन नातुलो त्या दाळा. सो एरिक बाबा वाटो तांणी ताळो मेळयल्याक तांकां नोटड जावन लास्ट हॉस्पेट तांकां घाल्लें गे. हॉस्पेट थंय रान आसा जागो, थंय रोडून नातुलो. ताणें त्या लोकां मदें जागृताय हाडली. त्या लोकां मदें रावन ते रोड आनी मार्गाक दिवे. तशें ताणें एक दीस इलेक्शन बॉयकॉट केल्लें म्हूण आयकल्लें हांवें. आमी रोड आनी करिना जाल्यार इलेक्शन आमी बॉयकॉट करताले. हांव तशें रोड जालो, लोकां सांगा ते बरसालो तो. ताच्या उपरांत तो अंतरधर्मीक वर्साताना समेत तो बिफाचें मांस खायनातलो. कित्याक म्हळ्यार हिंदू भावांक बेजार जाता म्हणल्या खातीर बिफाचें मांस खायनातलो. आनी म्हजे कडेन थोडी मस्त दुबावाची भावार्थी शेताची दुबाव आसलो. तो हांवें फादर आमच्या जेरियांक लागत बसल्यार मस्त दुबाव तेडे परिहार केला. आनी हलो क्रिस्ती याजाक आसात की म्हाका अजून बघता. कित्याक म्हळ्यार आमच्या दुबळ्यान धाकटा म्हज्या व्हंकलेच्या आनी म्हज्या कुटुंबाक भुरग्यांक शिकपा समेत ताणें कुमोक दिल्या. तशें म्हणटाना ह्याजाक ल्हान घडये भुरग्यापणार्थान व्हड जाता म्हणून शिकपाक कुमोक जाता दिता म्हणलो पाद्राप, अशें पाद्राप आमच्या एका कुटुंबाक कुमोक करता की म्हाका एक दुबाव बगल्लें आसा. म्हळ्यार हातूंक दिल्लें फाटीं ताणें कितेंच घेतिल्लें ना. हांवें ताका सांगिल्लें तुमकां शिकयलें बरें पाद्रापान दुसऱ्यान देखून तो म्हणालो ना तुमी दुसऱ्यान शिकया. तो म्हणालो असलो एक पाद्र म्हजे जिणेंत आदर्श जावन घेता आनी ताका हांव सस्नास विशय मागता.
हांव दिनेश मोतेर. बाप जॉनाक म्हज्या जिणेच्या विविध अंतांनी हांव ताका मस्तपटी भेटला. ताचो सांगात आपणाचो, तो सांगात भोगसो सुयोग म्हाका मेळ्ळा. सबार वेळ आमी मोगाळ गजाली, संवसारी गजाली, साहित्य गजाली, नाटकांशन गजाली, त्या शिवाय थोडे फावटी गुंडाळ्याचे विस्तार अदल बदल करचेय म्हाका अवकाश मेळ्ळा. ह्या बापांक हांव एक धार्मीक मनीस म्हणून न्ही, एक मनशापणाचो व्यक्ती म्हणल्या खातीर ते म्हाका काळजाक आवडटात. आज म्हज्या साद्या उतरांनी एक ल्हान श्रद्धांजलीची कविता हांवें लिखल्या, ती तुमच्या मुखार हांव सादर करतां. संवसारी दोळे उक्ते करताना उक्ते, विधव आवयचे पासलेन मातें, बापाचें स्थान जल्मांत रितें. साकली साकली बाळपणास कोर्साण साकली, तांदून सुरूता दिशा मुकली. आवयचे जतनेंत देवा बिरांत, दुबळ्या ल्हानांचो मोग काळजांत, निती खातीर झुजची गिरांत. व्हडलें व्हडलें मोन व्हडलें, लोकां सेवेंत काळीज जोडलें. देवाच्या सेवेंत जळली रे वात, दंड सातेल्यांक कुमकेचो हात. जावन नांवाडलो याजाक फेर्नांद, जिखलो जिखलो काळजान जिखलो, मिसामांताच्या खरोस टिकलो. जोडूंक पावलो शिकाप हुंसलें, तरी स्थान मान गुमान सोडलें. धार्मीक लायीक बांदपास मोडलें, सोसूंक पडलें जायतें तरी दवलोय धांव जिविताची. तुवें लायिल्ले जिविता मोलाचे दिवे आसात, प्रेरणान तुज्या मेटांक आमच्याय वाडदिसात. कुडीन नाय तरी स्पिरितान दी तूं सांगात. जिये जिये काळजांनी आमच्या आमार जिये, सर्गाराजांत सासणीक जिविताची शांती पिये. आदिवस तुका मोगाळ जोम फेर्नांद बाबा.
हांव लिडिया फादर जॉनाच्या बच्चो जेरीची व्हंकल. बाळपणार बापायक तरणाटपणार असल्या एकाच भावाच्या मरणा वरवीं खाली पडिल्लो जागो बापोय आनी भाव जावन मानून जेरीक फावो केला. तशेंच म्हाका आनी म्हज्या कुटुंबाक प्रतीक जावन म्हज्या भुरग्यांक तो वर्त्या मोग आसो, सगळ्यांक मोग आसो तो माम. तीं चड आनी चड ताचो आज उगडास काडते आसात. सांगाता मेळचें ताचो एक वर्तो गूण, सांगाता मेळोंक तो सदां तयार. आज आमकां ताचो सांगात चुकता तरी ताचो तो वर्तो गूण मुखारसून व्हरूंक आमी प्रयत्न करतले. हांव मामा, तुवें दिल्ल्या मोगाक आमी ऋणी. सदांच आमी तुजो उगडास काडटले. हांव आमचो माम बाब जॉन फेर्नांद आमच्या कुटुंबाच्या हर एक सांद्यांक मोग आसो आनी ताचेर आमकां व्हरतो गौरव आनी अभिमान. मानसुबान कुटुंबाचो तो सांदो जावन आशिल्लो. सर सांदे ताचे इश्ट. हर एका संध्यान पाद्र्याबाक मोग गौरव आनी सांगात दिला. आनी आज हो एक अवकाश पाद्र्याबाच्या नांवी सांगाता मेळसो
मांडून हाण श्रद्धांजली सभा आसा केल्या. ताच्या मोगाच्या इश्टांक हांव आमच्या कुटुंबातर्फेन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तुम्ही साबारांनी ताच्या इश्टांनी तुमची बोगनां वांटून घेतल्यान तुमकां सर्वांक देव बरें करूं. तो आस्वस्थ जावन आसतना आस्पत्रेंत आसतना बाब एरिको झेरियो आनी बाब लुई पिंत तांणी ताच्या भलायकेची खबर घेतल्या. प्रतीक जावन बाब लुई पिंत सदां न्हीद म्हणल्या परी ताची भेट करन ताका एका भावा बरी सांगाता बसून ताका धैर्य दितालो. माम अंतरतानाय तो आमच्या सांगाता आसलो. लुई बाब सदांच तुका आमी रुनी जावन आसा. तशेंच तो अस्वस्थ आसतना हर एका संगतींत आदारसून सुदारसून वेल्ल्या आमचो गवळी बाब आनी सर याजकांचो कोणाचें नांव काडिनासतना एका सुत्रान हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. हांगासर आशिल्ल्या सर्वांचो सांगात दिल्ल्या सर्वांचो हांव आमच्या कुटुंबातर्फेन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
सुमेस्तांक देव बरें करूं. देव बरी रात दिवं.